First, let's add a sphere and scale it up along the Z-axis. By using proportional editing. You're smart and you know how to use it. Next, let's add the level 3 subdivision modifier and apply it. Also, to use it quickly, you can press Ctrl+A. If you already know this from the previous lessons, that's great. Now I'm going to split the screen to open the shader unit and start making the texture. To create this texture, we need 2 texture shaders and 1 bump node. Let's add them quickly and start configuring them. We will also combine the Musgrave texture with the bump texture with the wave texture. The parameters are very simple, we increase it like mine, but you have the right to edit to your liking. After adjusting the texture, I'll turn on the cycle render and add a plane to keep our eggs safe. I'll also add an HDRI map to the world settings to make the eggs look brilliant. If you are wondering where to get such a map, make noise in the comments under this look, I will be happy to answer everyone. It remains to add colors. I have specially selected them for you, and they will appear on the screen for your convenience. I'll make copies, but in the meantime, you can write down from which country you're watching me. One by one, let's add a color number to each principled BSDF and increase the metallic color and decrease roughness. You need to repeat this with all the eggs and you will be successful. Try repeating this material in your works, I think you'll figure out where else you can use it. Well, that's it. Thanks for being with me until the end. I hope you enjoyed the mini tutorial. I'll be waiting for you in the next episode. All the best. Ciao.